इसने खामोशी से दरवाजा खोलकर अंदर झांका।
She quietly opened the door and peeked in. She quietly opened the door and peeked in.
घर के मकीन गहरी नींद सो रहे थे।
The occupants of the house were sound asleep. The occupants of the house were sound asleep.
रेस्टोरेंट के आसपास इसका कोई नाम व निशान नहीं था।
There was no sign of him around the restaurant. There was no sign of him around the restaurant.
वो अंदर आया और अपने सामने देखकर मुस्कुराया।
He walked in and grinned at the sight before him. He walked in and grinned at the sight before him.
बच्चा उसकी तरफ लपका।
The baby rolled over to her side. The baby rolled over to her side.
कंपनी में सिक्योरिटी ने चोरों को इजाजत नहीं दी।
The security in the company allowed for no thieves. The security in the company allowed for no thieves.
मैं सुबह 6 बजे घर से निकला।
I left the house at 6 in the morning. I left the house at 6 in the morning.
गर्मी ने मुझे जगाया।
The heat stirred me awake. The heat stirred me awake.
मैंने संतरे बर्फ से भरे कप में निचोड़ दिए।
I squeezed the oranges into a cup filled with ice. I squeezed the oranges into a cup filled with ice.
पुलिस को उसके भाई पर जुर्म का शुबा था।
The police suspected her brother of the crime. The police suspected her brother of the crime.